Welcome to Gwaan Dancehall with Lex, giving you the best of the best and the real and the real. Extending my congratulations to Tifa, who was engaged last week Sunday, to who we don't. Last week Sunday at Summer Jam, Aidoina and Konshens was unable to perform due to poor time management with the Summer Jam organization. Aside from that, Konshens and Shenseea will be performing at BET Live on June 22nd. And if you watch the BET Awards back in 2013, they will get their time to perform. Trust me. More Konshens and more Shenseea and a mix with Russian. The trio just released a music video on Friday called Hard Drive. If you haven't heard it yet, here's the sneak peek.
Him love when me and panic grung and me body cock up. Him love when me body cock up. And panic grung and me body cock up. Him love when me body cock up.
Hey girl, touch the ground then you back.
Shenseea was featured on Christina Aguilera's song called Right Move, alongside with Tifa. Last week there was rumors stating that Movado was shot at in his area, Cassava Peace. But now last night, news had emerged that his son, 16-year-old, was charged with murder. We do not know all the full details as of yet, but we'll be giving you updates about that soon. Let's continue to put them congrats in order. Walking trophy artist Hood Celebrityy just signed with Epic Records. Congrats, goodie. But that is it for Gwaan Dancehall. Till the next week for more dancehall entertainment.
Yes, good, you look good. Yeah, hair, the brows, you look good.